How are you guys doing today? Step 1 on how to replace your throttle cable and add a new one. You're going to need 2 tools only. You're going to need a star, screwdriver, and a wrench. And what you're going to need to be taking off is just 2 screws located here and down here. They take 2 stars. You need to take this off to place, and then you need to take off your throttle thing. So that's step 1. Okay, as you can see, we already unscrewed the bolts that are connected to our unit. What I like to do is put the screws back onto this. I'm missing this button, but put it back onto that. Put it to the side, and now you have this holding thing here that connects. What you do is you undo it. Alright, step 3, unscrewing this from the harness, this one bolt nut, and then you turn it around, you spin it, and it comes right off. And as you can see here, this is the hoe. This piece is next to. Now I'm going to do with step 4, replacing this unit. You have to go take off this casing here. It's 1 bolt, 2 bolts, and then you have this going from here. It was usually going through this underneath the gas tank, but I already tried replacing it, and I had the wrong size. It was too small. I have the new one here. It's about 4.9 inches. So let's see how this is gonna work. Okay, you have to unloosen these. This one, come close to me so I know exactly where they're at. And this 2. Now what I do is I put them on top of this casing so I don't lose it. Now here is the carburetor. It goes from the carburetor, as you can see, all the way to the throttle cable unit. Now to do this, all you have to do is untighten this top piece. It's right here. See, now this cable is no good because it was an older cable I had, a smaller one for a motorized bike. Alright, you just pull this puppy up. That's how it looks. What you do is you press the spring back to get this piece out. Be right back. Okay, I'm doing this all by one hand. As you see, press spring back, and you go forward. Okay, once you took out that piece, you should have it like this. You put it into the same harness that came off the old one. So you put it through here, like so. Okay. Put the spring in. And then you have to get this on here at the edge. Okay, now in this carburetor there is like a little, how can I say it? Oh, well, you gotta put this in there. You see that little golden piece here? It needs to go down that way. Okay, when you're putting it into your carburetor back inside, you see a little pin? You need to have it not this way, facing that way. You're gonna have the big side, which is this way, facing in. You know, when you go in, facing that way. But what I need to do is put my cable back into this harness unit inside here, all the way up to here, because it's okay. Basically, that's all you have to do. Here is the new cable. I fit it straight through. It's a little bit over here by the horn. It's a little too long, as you can see. But I'll feed a little bit more into the gas chamber. Gasoline goes to this piece here that holds it. It goes all the way down there, and it goes into here. This is the Lazer Sport 5 SSR Motorsports. So yeah, basically that's all you need. Now your throttle cable should be able to do this. But if it don't do that, then something's wrong. So now, what's there for me to do is to test it. I had this cart. I have the back seat, but I had this cart. So you can see the gauges. Now let's see if this will work. I've had it on for a while. Let's put it in drive. See, this is drive. This is neutral. Drive. And we have it. We got it, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, shoot. I haven't rode it for a while, so right now it's... Yeah. I had the tape there because it kept falling over. The gauges light up too. Signals. Horn. Right signal. Left signal. This is for your high beams, low beams. Your stoplight. Oh my gosh, my tail light fell down. My right tail light. My plate is supposed to be coming in the mail very soon. It's already been a month. My pipe, original pipes. I'm gonna have to check the oil and all that when I get a chance. I'm big to it. Big shot. I put the storage rack in the back, but it's a double. It's a two-seater. Well, yeah, be careful for this too. When you step out the other way, not this way, because you'll definitely burn yourself. I need to replace that mirror. I replaced the throttle cable. Well, thank you for joining my video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.